Good morning, students. In continuation of the previous class, today we will discuss about the generalized error coefficient method or dynamic error coefficient method. So as we know, the expression for E of S from this module itself, from the third module only, right? E of S is equals to R of S divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S. Okay. So let us assume that this product is of two functions. So considering E of S is equals to f1 of S into f2 of S, where we'll split like this: f1 of S is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus G of S into H of S, f2 of S is equals to R of S. We have divided the above equation like this. Okay. So now if f of S is equals to f1 of S into f2 of S, then by using convolution integral, okay, so we know that Laplace transform of f of s is f of t, and the formula for this f of t is equals to integration from 0 to t f1 of tau into f2 of t minus tau into d tau. This is convolution formula. Okay. Similarly, e of t is equals to integration from 0 to t f1 of tau into f2 of tau t minus tau into dt. Okay. So replacing f2 of t minus replacing f2 of t minus tau by r of t minus tau. So replace in that equation, e of t is equals to, you will get this 0 to t, integration from 0 to t f1 of tau into r t minus tau into dt. So r of t minus 2 t minus tau can be expanded by using Taylor series. We have studied in mathematics. So Taylor series can be written as r of t minus tau is equals to r of t minus tau into r dash of t plus tau square by 2 factorial r double dash of t minus tau cube divided by 3 factorial r triple dash of t. Like this you can write. Okay, substituting this in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is, that is, e of t equation. Okay, so after substitution e of t, right, you will get f of t into this r of t minus tau bracket. Okay, so similarly expand this and you will get this expression for e of t finally after expanding and after multiplication also. Okay, so then, as you know, next step, ESS is equals to limit t tends to infinity e of t. Okay, and already we have the already you know the expression for e of t. Okay, so ESS is equals to substitute e of t. Okay, and applying limit, you will get this expression. So integration from 0 to infinity r of t f1 of t into d tau minus, similarly next you will get like this. Okay, so again finally simplify this, you will get ESS. So wherein we're replacing this by one constant, this by second constant, and this by third constant. So similarly, ESS is equal to, finally I'll write k naught r of t plus k1 r dash of t plus k2 divided by 2 factorial r double dash of t, where k naught is equals to 0 to infinity f1 of tau into d tau, k1 is equals to minus 0 to infinity tau f1 of tau into d tau. So similarly we can write k2 for this. Okay, so no, so after that, to calculate the error coefficient k naught k1 k2, to calculate the error coefficient k naught k1 k2 by considering the definition of Laplace transform, we know that Laplace transform f of s is equals to 0 to infinity f1 of tau into e to the power of minus s tau into d tau, right? But and we know k naught is equals to this, just now we have seen this. Okay, k naught is equals to this. So multiplying e to the power of minus st on both side to this expression to get f of s, we are multiplying e to the power of minus s tau on both side. K naught into this is equals to this into e to the power of minus s tau into d tau. So this is equals to, this is an expression for Laplace transform only. So as here f1 of tau, I'll replace it by f1 of s. So taking limit on both side to the above expression, so we can write k naught is equals to limit s tends to 0 f1 of s. So this limit get cancels, k naught is equals to, we can write like this. So f1 of s, we know it that from the previous expression, 1 divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s, because we have considered f1 of s is equal to this and f2 of s is equal to this while starting the derivation. So wherein k1 is equal to limit s tends to 0 as right, so, limit s tends to 0 d by ds of f1 of s. K0 is equal to this, k1 is the first differentiation of this. So similarly kn is the nth differentiation of this. So that means if you want to find k2, kt is equal to limit s tends to 0 d by ds of again differentiation of f1 of s. Okay, thank you.